Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the worn cushions right now. Unplug the headset and place it face down so you can see the cushion seam. Grip the inner fabric lip with your fingers and pull directly outward. The cushion is held by a stretch fit lip, so even force works best. If it resists, use a plastic spudger to pry the lip free in small sections rather than yanking. This prevents tearing the cushion or warping the ear cup rim. Once removed, set the old cushions aside for comparison. Now prepare and fit the replacement cushions. First, compare new pads to the originals so you match the fabric side and seam orientation. This ensures the microphone and ear cup vents line up. Place the cushion's inner lip over the top edge of the ear cup and hold one anchor point. Stretch the lip gently, seating it a little at a time around the cup. Work in quarter turns so tension stays even. Make sure the foam sits centered over the driver. Misalignment creates pressure points and sound imbalance. Finish by fully seating the cushion and testing fit. Press around the rim until the lip snaps into place and there are no gaps or folded fabric. This secures the acoustic seal crucial for bass and noise isolation. Put the headset on and play familiar audio to confirm balance. If bass is weak, remove and recenter the foam. If the cushion refuses to seat, warm it briefly with your hands or hairdryer on low to increase elasticity, or swap for a verified genuine replacement if dimensions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.